you're doing well. Hope you're still working on your dancing wherever you are all over the world. I am with Miss Lauren. Talented Miss Lauren. I have to say talented or she hits me after the videos over. But we are here at Encore Performance Dance Studios in Chantilly. Show you a cool move. It's fancy, so call it fancy. Fancy whip. First, we're going to do it, then show you how to do it, because it would make no sense to not do that. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, and she. So there's a lot going on there. I know. Don't worry, we'll make it look easy. At least I'm going to try my best. She's going to look great. We're going to be. How do you lead this? It's where her left, my right. How you begin. So after the sugar push, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to let go of her right hand. I don't need it, at least not until the moment. Now the first part of this is critical because this is how you lead the move. Raising her left, pulling her forward. We're going to go to 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I know you didn't see much of that, but let's go front to back. So I'm going to raise her hand, bring her forward, lift her arm up, and turn her to her left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm coming up and crossing over. So now I'm on her right side at the end where as opposed to I was facing her. So I'm going to change the grip of my hand. When I'm doing a sugar push, my hand palm is facing down. When I get into this, I'm actually going to raise my palm up. Just helps me turn my wrist over to turn her. Little tidbit. Okay? So sugar push, go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to raise her hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is a good place for it. My left is going to connect with her left arm. Okay? Because I'm going to let go of the hand I used to start and then connect with her left wrist. That's the key for this. So once she goes over your head, connect with that arm. Now, okay, tall lady, make sure when you're doing this, don't hit her in the head. It's happened. It's happened. Because leaders sometimes are so worried about the move, they don't worry about how tall their partner is. So we're going to do a sugar push. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to raise my hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Raising, let go of this hand. She's going to come through, turn her. 5, 6. I connect with her arm. Stay behind her. I'm going to take my right hand, get it behind the shoulder for 7 and 8. Crossing over, my right hand in the back of her right arm, up her shoulder, somewhere where I can get a good connection with her. So we're going to go a little bit faster, just going right into the move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm on my right, my arm's on her left. And as an 8, it's actually pulling her forward onto that step. So let's go this way. Going right into it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And when I get to her arm with my right, I let go of the hand I used to finish it. So let's go this way to get to it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, raise her left, my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, pull her forward, and that's the energy to make her do a triple step, triple, and another triple for her anchor. So that's an 8, let her go, she finishes. Fancy. Oops. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise her hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go behind cross. 6, 7, and 8. Let her go. Send her through. Okay? We'll go front to back and we're done. Sugar push. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't hit her in the head. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9, and 10. It's a very cool move. Again, once you get the arm over the head, cross over. It works. It works to anything. Slow song, fast song, your call. So, what does Miss Lauren do when she's not doing dance tutorials? She's going to tell you.
Thank you so much, Tim. My company is Dancing with Markers, and I am a facilitator. So I do virtual and visual facilitation, both online and in person. If you're suffering from a really boring Zoom meeting and looking for a way to make those meetings really more productive and get what you came for, reach out, dancingwithmarkers.com. I'd be happy to talk to you about what's going on and see how I can help.
So how do you reach her? You're going to remember that after she just said that? No. Description box down below. Put all of our media information. It's all online there. It's all for, so you guys can reach out, talk to her. Thanks guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's a free move every week. My passion is to share with you to make you guys either a better dancer or to become a dancer. Until next time, have a great week. As always,
keep dancing.
We don't rehearse that.